In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Frieren here in Cellular Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this process is not that bad. What you need to do is actually open up the teleporter and you need to start by going to Easter Island. And essentially, once you're here, make your way directly to these Easter Bunny NPCs right here and immediately start farming them. They don't have a lot of health, however, their drop rates are pretty low for everything, and they don't really give you that much like gems or XP either. So it is a little bit of a grind, but essentially, keep farming them over and over and over again because these drop Easter eggs and you're going to need those. They also drop Easter keys, but the main thing is Easter eggs here because what you can do once you have a bunch of Easter eggs, I think I have a little over 90 now, is just make your way over to this NPC right here, interact with it, and complete the 7 hidden Easter egg quest and find all of those 7 hidden Easter eggs across the map. Once that's done, take your eggs that you get from those NPCs right there to this NPC and you can convert them. Oh, looks like the NPC just died actually. That's unfortunate. Where'd all your limbs go, bro? But you can convert them into Easter keys for you. So essentially go ahead and get as many Easter keys as possible. And once you have the keys, go to the Great Mage Summoner on the other side of the map, way over here. Interact with the summoner NPC just like so and spawn in the boss. Just keep defeating the boss repeatedly for drops like the mana core, magic essence, ancient fragments, spell echoes, stuff like that. And then once you do unlock all that stuff, you can go ahead and just walk up to this guy right here and you'll be good to go. Get the Great Mage sword or staff. I don't really know what you want to call it. It is a sword though. And of course, you'll also get Frieren as well. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.